Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, I got an awesome Backdraft Cobra for you today. It's got an Aluminator motor under the hood. It's an RT3 body. It's got the GT package, absolutely gorgeous. And it's got the Blackout Package. You see how all the bright work's been blacked out? This thing looks just amazing. And check out those headlights. Those headlights look like a bug's eye, man. Those are so freaking cool. You see how the grill's all blacked out, the oil cooler, all the lines, the quick jack bumpers, everything blacked out on this baby. The wheels, the side pipes, everything about this car is just awesome. Just over 600 miles on this baby. And don't forget, that Aluminator motor's making 580 horse. It's hooked up to a T56 Magnum 6-speed, so who knows what top speed of this thing is? Put the pedal to the metal and hold on. I suggest you hook up them 4-point harnesses. You're gonna fly out of this thing. She is a rocket ship. You can see that interior is absolutely gorgeous. Everything about this car is off the hook, and I guarantee you, any car show you go to, there will not be another one of these here. Now, we actually have the hardtop for it too, so if you want to check out pictures of the car with the hardtop on it, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll have a description of the car, several pictures of the car. We've got all the paperwork for the build, everything. Now, look inside the trunk here. There's plenty of room in there, and there's the knockoff lug wrench right there. So instead of the traditional knockoffs, it's got this fancy knockoff on it. I'll show you over here. You can see the gas fill's been blacked out also. But take a look at these Forgeline wheels. These things are badass. You see, the normal knockoff would have the 3 tines on it, and then it just has this. That lug wrench goes right over that, and you can take that wheel off. Now, the barrels on these Forgeline wheels are actually carbon fiber. You want to talk about cool? Absolutely off the hook, guys. Now, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this baby, so you know we've done our homework and checked it out before we bought it. The first thing that happens to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on a lift and they get inspected so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you anything you need to know about any of our cars in inventory. Now, you're watching us on YouTube, and if you want to see more cool videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You hit that subscribe button, and then right next to it is a little bell. You want to click that bell too so you get a notification every time we post a new video. Let's take this Backdraft for a ride. Aluminator power, 580 horsepower. I tell you what, this thing is a rocket ship. And we can park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live. Now hold on. Like I said, rocket ship. Man, what a blast. This car is amazing, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you exactly how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Also, if you need help with financing, we got bankers that help out with the financing. Tom will tell you all about it. Tom will do all the paperwork. You don't have to do a thing but make that phone call. Now, we're gonna do something that nobody else in the industry does to all their cars. We're gonna put this baby up in the air so you can check it out on the underside. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. This is probably one of the fastest cars I've ever driven. It is a rocket ship, like I said, just a blast to drive. I mean, I don't have any other things to say about this thing except I'm just so excited to be driving it. It's just amazing. Get around the corner here and we'll take a quick look at the dash. It's got a carbon fiber dash in it. All the gauges you need right there. We got the 6-speed in it, so who knows what top end speed is, but I guarantee you it's fast. We're gonna get to our shop. We're gonna put this baby up in the air. We're gonna show you what's going on underneath the car. We do that on every one of our cars here at Vanguard. This Backdraft is probably one of the coolest cars on the planet, guys. You're gonna have people following you around, asking you questions, wanting to talk about it. Take this to a car show, you're gonna draw a crowd. We also have a whole team of mechanics that can do anything to a muscle car that you may want. So if you want to change something, you want to add something, whatever you want done, we can do it. And don't forget, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So call him anytime, he will take great care of you. You know, with that movie coming out, we can't keep one of these Cobras in stock, you know, Ford versus Ferrari. And I tell you what, old Ken Miles, you know what a big deal he made of when he got in that GT40 with the big block? I tell you what, that thing won't hold a candle to this Aluminator motor. Well, here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street. And don't forget, we got 2 locations, and we're gonna put it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this amazing car now, and if I'm still smiling, it's because I just got back from driving it. I tell you, you can't get rid of this smile after driving this thing. They blacked out that aluminum gas tank. You see all the TIG welds looking sweet. Of course, the frame's brand new. You can see, look, we still got writing on the lower unit here. It says 373 gear. We actually rolled it over, so it's somewhere around 373, 391, real close to that area. The disc brakes in the back and the parking brakes here, drilled and slotted rotors. These carbon fiber wheels are just amazing. Just everything about this thing is pretty under here. Look, it's brand new. Of course, we got the Magnum T56 6-speed, hydraulic clutch here. I mean, everything, all the wiring's nice and neat. And there she is, the bottom of the Aluminator. We're gonna check out the top here in a minute. That BMW suspension, those big Willwood brakes, the struts holding up the front, just everything about this thing is so freaking cool. Power rack and pinion steering. You can see the nose doesn't have a mark on it. It is covered with the clear bra, which is very cool. I mean, just everything about this car is super cool. You see these wheels, Forgeline wheels. And again, that carbon fiber, isn't that cool? Now the centers are aluminum. It's just the barrels that are carbon fiber. Up front, 2 4535 ZR19s, and they are Michelins. There's those blacked out side pipes. We got the sensors right here and the side pipes too, so that motor can tell what it's doing. Out back here, 3 253019s, and again, same good looking carbon fiber barrels, aluminum centers. And again, we have that special tool that takes this nut off. Normally these would be knockoffs, but it's got this special nut here and socket to take those off. Those are in the trunk. Now let's get under the hood and check out that Aluminator. All right guys, under the hood, the coolest part about the whole car, and this car is just chock full of cool. Aluminator, 5.2, Ford Racing. This thing is amazing, 580 horsepower. You want to talk about giddy up and go. Those custom valve covers also. It's got that XS motor also, 5.2 XS Ford Racing crate motor. Just amazing. This thing has got more giddy up and go than you'll ever use, guys. I tell you what, she is beautiful under the hood. Of course, everything looks brand new. Power brakes. Now, these are the reservoirs for the power brakes, front and back, and then for your hydraulic clutch also. I mean, the thing is just, it's a rocket ship. It does have power steering. Just everything about this thing. Take it to any car show, you're gonna be the whole talk of the whole town. This is one bad machine right here, guys. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.